You're just too good to be true.
Hello everyone, Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com, your Genos tutorial website. Now, this is about Genos Tyros. Now, a lot of you would say, oh my goodness, the price of the Genos is a lot of money. But when you hear this style, you're going to understand. There's over 500 styles in the Genos, like about 550 to be exact. If you purchase your Genos from us, we also include all the Tyros 5 styles. So it's like getting two keyboards in one. But this style is exactly the way you get your Genos. So this style that's in here, I want you to pay attention to the style when I go from variation 1 through 4. Now, variation A, B, C, and D, you've got the beginning of the song, the bridge, the chorus, and the end. And that's why your Genos has 4 variations. And you're going to hear more and more of the band come in with me playing this particular style. Now, this style is called 60's Blue-Eyed Soul. No, we're not talking about Frank Sinatra here. We're talking about Frankie Valli and the Four Seasons. And when you hear this style, the rest of the Genos styles are just as good. And you're going to see the value in the Genos, and you're also going to see how good you can sound with just playing a few chords and right hand. So let's get to Frankie Valli and the Four Seasons on the Genos. Now, real quick, before I get started, this was one of my Song of the Week and Buttons class songs. I do a new song every week on the Genos. And if you do purchase your Genos from us, you get the book bundles and you get all my settings emailed to you every week, and all of my registration banks are emailed to you. But in this edition, I played it normally like I would play out in a nightclub. But instead of doing it the way I do it at class, a more simple version on my weekly Song of the Week and Buttons class. So here we go. That was a little fade out, but you could have used the ending. The Genos is too good to be true. Okay, so if you loved 60's Blue-Eyed Soul in the Genos, you're going to absolutely love the rest of the styles in there. And you're also going to love the Tyros styles that are in there too. And since I'm up to about song 120 on my Song of the Week and Buttons class, all the videos I did on Tyros, which I'm going to redo some on the Genos, but you can still play and use all the settings on the Genos because the styles are in there from the Tyros. So until next time, this is Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com saying have a great day, keep playing, and this is a great reason to buy a Genos. You will sound great as a beginner.